Hello dear student of class 7th. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, charts in Excel. But before I begin, I would like to request you, please like, share and subscribe so that you can be updated for the next video. Let's start today's chapter, charts in Excel. When we were doing Excel, I already told you different features of Excel, right? And Excel is used for making spreadsheets, entry of data. And now since you are entering the data, you can convert it into its pictorial representation also. So in this session, we will discuss what is chart and its component. So my first question to you is, what is chart? A chart is a pictorial representation of data in a worksheet. Suppose you have the data of the different subject and their respective marks, and you want to represent it pictorially, that is called chart, right? Now my dear students, will you please tell me what is the advantage of pictorial representation of the data? Why we need this? Why we need the graphs? This is just because if we represent something pictorially, pictorially, it makes it give you the clear sense of that data, and quickly you can analyze that data. Looking at the data may be difficult and analyzing it, but if you have the picture representation, then you can easily recognize, easily analyze it. That's why there is a need of this pictorial representation. Now, how can we insert a chart in Excel? Go to insert option, file, in the menu bar, file, view, insert are there. Go to insert option, file, edit. See, this is an insert option. I have marked with one. This one, insert option is there, and in that you can see chart column is there. So click on chart and different charts will be available to you. Fine. This is the way you can insert chart to Excel. Let's discuss different components. Look at this diagram, dear students. Please, there is a chart. It's excellent, good, something on the x-axis. This is what x-axis, and this is what y-axis, right? So something is written on x-axis and y-axis, and in this chart I will be explaining you different components of chart. See, data series is there. This is data label is there. Data label, chart title is there. Grid lines, plot area. Look, this area is called plot area. This much area, right? This much area is called plot area. And what about chart area? This entire area is called chart area, right? And grid lines, the green color lines, you can see this line is called grid lines. Fine. Now you know different components of chart. In the next slide, I will be technically explaining you what are these components, how to define technically. Please look this chart carefully, everyone. Fine. So the next topic, chart area. I shown you there. This is the chart area. The entire area, this entire area is what the chart area about, right? Plot area, it covers the actual data. Actual data representation covers the plot area. Chart title means the information of the data. What is the chart title here? How would you like this product? Okay, this shows that there is a chart has been prepared about the liking or disliking of product. right? Some people say excellent, 400 people say excellent, it's good, 300 people say good. So means from this title we come to know कि this is chart must be about some product survey, right? Data labels represent the single value, represent the single value. See, 400, first one is 400, next one is 300. These are the label, single values it represent. Clear? Now grid lines, I already told you what are grid lines. Different lines. Here also you can see the grid lines are there. See, these are the grid lines. And legends, see at the corner, blue, red, green. These are different series, right? And legends is what? Suppose we have two or more quantity in particular chart. Okay, so with different colors we show it. How to differentiate, distinguish it? So different color we will be showing it. So different legends are there. That is called, technically called legends. We will not go different colors. Rather we technically call this legends, right? And y-axis is called vertical axis, also called value axis. Value of the any content is written, this is y-axis, and this is what, x-axis. Also it is called category axis. Particular category of the data is represented in x-axis. Clear? Now I hope till this what is chart, what is its components is clear now. In the next session I will be giving you some questions related to this, and we will proceed further about we will discussing about different types of chart. Fine. Thank you.